Cradle Chronicles, Navigating the Heart of Childcare. In the intricate tapestry of childcare, each thread weaves a unique story. Let's embark on a comprehensive exploration of the nuanced world of kids' daycare, where analytical facts and figures converge with the heartfelt quest for the perfect heaven for our little ones. 1. Daycare usage. In the rhythm of everyday life, 61% of US children under the tender age of 5 found themselves enveloped in some form of childcare in 2023. Diving deeper, the embrace of care varied: 35% in the warmth of center-based care, 22% cradled in the arms of non-related family care, and 4% nestled within the folds of relative care. Yet, this care, though priceless, comes with a tangible cost. The average expense for center-based childcare for a child under 5 was $10,190 per annum. To daycare quality. Beyond the numbers lies the quality of care, a facet delved into by a 2019 study from the National Institute of Child Health and Human Development. Revelations echoed: mere 16% of US childcare centers ascend to the pinnacle of high standards. It's not just a facility, it's the environment that molds minds, impacting cognitive and social-emotional development. 3. Daycare workforce. In the heart of this caring realm are the caregivers themselves, with a median annual wage of $27,340 in 2021. The majority, silent architects of a child's formative years, are women and people of color. Yet, amidst the nurturing, a discordant note. A 2021 study by the Center for American Progress disclosed that 43% of these invaluable caregivers are contemplating an exit, burdened by low pay and unfavorable working conditions. 4. Impact of COVID-19. A tempest in the form of a pandemic swept across, impacting the very core of daycare. Centers, once bustling with laughter, faced closures, both temporary and permanent. The very foundation of staffing trembled, making it a Herculean task to recruit and, even more so, retain. 5. Future trends. The horizon ahead whispers tales of change. The demand for daycare is projected to burgeon, a consequence of the increasing footprint of women in the workforce. The future beckons towards a yearning for not just care but high-quality, affordable sanctuaries. Diversity and inclusivity are foreseen as the daycare landscape molds itself to meet the evolving needs of the future generation. Tips for finding the best daycare center. 1. Ask for recommendations. In the symphony of parenting, the advice of fellow travelers is invaluable. Seek recommendations from friends, family, and kindred spirits, painting a vivid tapestry of shared experiences. 2. Do your research. Journey through the virtual realms where the soul of each center reveals itself. Read the stories etched in reviews, compare the landscapes painted on websites, and grasp the ethos that breathes life into the philosophy and curriculum. 3. Visit centers in person. Transition from the virtual to the tangible. Schedule visits to the shortlisted sanctuaries, for it is in the physical embrace that the essence of a center unfolds. Witness the ebb and flow of interactions, the choreography of staff and children, and absorb the ambience that becomes a second home. 4. Ask questions. Engage in conversations, for it is through dialogue that the soul speaks. Question the architects of this heaven, the staff. Inquire about qualifications and experiences, unravel the philosophy that underpins the center, and decode the unwritten rules of discipline and safety. 5. Trust your gut. In the dance of decision-making, trust the instinctive rhythm of your heart. If a center feels like a warm embrace, if the echoes of laughter resonate with the melody of your child's happiness, then, in that moment, you found the one. Additional tips. Seek the imprimatur of your state, opt for a licensed center, a testament to meeting minimum standards of quality and safety. Peer into the ratio, the heartbeat of attention. Ensure there's enough staff to tenderly cradle your child's needs. Look for diversity in activities and toys, for a diverse playground nurtures a rich imagination. Observe, not with scrutiny, but with the warmth of a fellow parent. Are the architects of this sanctuary, the staff, the bearers of warmth and joy? Connect with the community within, talk to parents who have tread this path. In their stories lie treasures of insight, both pearls of wisdom and caution. In the grand tapestry of parenting, the choice of a daycare center is a significant thread. In weaving this narrative, each statistic, each story, and each shared experience contributes to the tale of a child's growth. It's not just a choice, it's a legacy, a testament to the care, love, and thoughtful consideration that shapes the future. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.